Long ago, beyond the vast seas, there was a land where small villages lived together, yet apart. There were 13 small towns, each with its own way of life. But deep in their hearts, the people of these villages shared a dream of freedom and peace.
We've been apart for so long, each in our own way. But perhaps it's time for us to unite.
Yes, but how? How do we show that our hearts are one?
At that moment, a young boy, wise beyond his years, stepped forward.
What if we create a flag? A flag with stars and stripes. The stars can shine like us in the night sky, and the stripes can show the lines that connect us.
Stars and stripes shine so bright, under the sky we're all alright. Red and white, blue so high, together we'll soar, reach the sky. 13 stars shining bright, 13 stripes, red and white, hand in hand, side by side, together we stand.